Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to set battery protection to basic, adaptive or maximum on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Now to do that, just open settings, then go to battery. Now from here, first of all, just enable battery protection. Now after you enable battery protection, just tap on battery protection. And from here, you can select the battery protection mode which you like. Now by default, it is on basic, and on basic, when your battery is charged to 100%, the charging will stop until the battery level drops to 95% and then it will start charging again. And on adaptive, it will stop charging while you're asleep and it will start charging again before you wake up. And lastly, you have the option of maximum. And on maximum, you can stop charging at the level which you have set. On default, it is on 80%, and on 80%, it will stop charging when the battery reaches 80%. And you have the option of 85, 90, and 95%. If you select any of these options, it will stop charging at the selected battery charge level. And this is how you can set battery protection to basic, adaptive or maximum on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.